Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to add a new user to your WordPress website. So you can add users for different roles. You can add users as editors. You can add users to manage your website. You can add users as an administrator, or you want to add another developer without actually giving him the main admin. So first of all, you have to build the back end of your WordPress website, which is this back end, this dashboard here, and you have to go to users. So when you get to users, you can see this part of your WordPress website will show the entire users that are registered to your website. Okay, so we can add users to play different roles. So we can see this role by default is an administrator role. Okay, so if we want to add a new user for any role, we can come here to add new user, or we can come here to add new user. So we click on add new user, and we can put the username. Okay, you have to be careful about this username because you might not be able to change your username except you have knowledge of using myphp.net. So we will just use the random username. I can say admin tech, for example, and an email I can use. Okay, we get an email, put an email, put a first name. I can use any random name. I can say Mark. I can say Mark Tony. The website I can leave it blank, and the password, this is just a test password, might likely delete it later on. So I can say tech 1999. okay, and I can confirm the use of the weak password. Normally you can use a stronger password, but this is just for demonstration purposes. Okay, so now we come to this role. This role is very important, okay, because if you give a subscriber, or if you give an administrator role, or you give an editor role, it has a very big significance, okay, to the person you're giving the role. So take example, an administrator role will see the entire users with administrator role will see the entire plugins and the entire features of this dashboard as much as you at the administrator is seeing. Okay, but the subscriber might have limited access. Okay, so we can always change it. So let me just give a subscriber role, okay, or let me just give an editor role. You want somebody who would be posting on your blog or something of that nature. Okay, and I'll just put add new. Okay, so now we would have to go to another browser or incognito browser, or send this username, email and password for login to the person you want to give this access to. Okay, so I'll just use incognito mode. Okay, and I can copy this URL. So if you want to log into the back end of a WordPress website, you put the domain name. Okay, after the domain name you put a slash, and you put WP, and you put a hyphen, and I put admin. Okay, and this will take us to the login page of your WordPress dashboard. Okay, oh, I skipped an I here. Okay, so it has taken us to the back end of WordPress dashboard, okay, WordPress website, and we can put either the username or the email. Okay, so we put the username, I put the email, sorry, and we put the password that we used. So we can put remember me and login. So we have successfully logged in as an editor to our website. Okay, so we can see the difference between the editor role, okay, and the admin role. Okay, so we can see the access that the editor has, or the editor have, to the back end of the website. Okay, so we can see some limited features. They're not able to edit the website, they're not able to install plugins and all that. Okay, but if we come to the administrator dashboard, we have full customization. Okay, so instead of opening another user, I'll just upgrade this user. So to upgrade this user or to change access they have to the website, you can simply come to users and go to all users and click on the particular user you want to change or upgrade. So I'm upgrading their role now to let's say an administrator. Okay, and I come down and I save this, update user. So if I were to go back to the user now and refresh, you can see that their role has been updated and they have equal access as much as I do. Okay, so if we were to go back and change this role to, let's say, a subscriber, and we update, so we're to go back. So this is a subscriber role. We even have more limited information. So the subscriber can only see their profile and their dashboard. There's not much that can happen here. Okay, and we can have Spring Logistics, the front end, and they go to the back end. Okay, so we can see the importance of user roles, and you can explore the other user roles and see which one is very necessary. Okay, for your client or people who you want to work with. Okay, so these roles have very significant meaning. You don't want to give somebody an administrator role so that they don't mess up the configurations of your website, or they go into plugins and begin to explore or deactivate. Okay, so guys, that's how to add user roles, administrator roles, and different roles to your WordPress website. I hope this tutorial has been able to help you learn about different roles in WordPress. Thank you, and see you in the next video.